She's racked up countless culinary victories. Here's Chef Alex Guarnaschelli.
Hi. Good evening.
So Alex, I'm not gonna be telling you what you will be cooking tonight.
Okay.
I'm gonna be telling you what you won't be cooking. And these chefs right here are plant-based experts.
Okay, love.
Yes, so officially tonight is a no-meat competition.
No meat.
No meat.
Good luck, chef.
Oh boy. That's hard for me.
Well, just to be clear, this does not have to be vegan. You can obviously use animal-based products like butter, right? But no meat is allowed.
Well, this is awful, Eric. Thanks.
I do what I can. So Alex, this is Cyrus Ichiza. He's the chef owner of 2 vegan concepts in Portland. His place was named one of Portland's 38 essential restaurants, 3 years in a row. This is Chef Julia Chebotar. She is the executive chef of a plant-based restaurant in New York City. Her restaurant was named the best vegan restaurant in New York. But maybe most importantly, Alex, she won Chopped in 2020 with you judging her food.
Chef Julia Chebotar, you are the Chopped champion. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God.
And this is Chef Courtney Lindsay. He's the chef of 3 successful vegan concepts in Houston, Texas. His Southern comfort vegan food is so successful, he's currently opening up a 4th location.
From Texas? Who's plant-based in Texas? Oh my God. I don't have any fish or meat.
So first up, we're starting with the survival round. All of you, including Alex, must prepare a meatless dish that our judges will rank in a blind taste test. The chefs that make the top 3 dishes will survive, and the 4th chef won't.
All right.
There's only one thing left to do, chefs. Start cooking. Your time starts now.
Thank you.
Smothered. Probably the option I would have picked. You can use a sauce. You can make a salsa. Check out the jackfruit. The sweet part right here is all the flesh underneath the seeds.
I'm making a jackfruit tostada, and I'm making a taro and bean puree to put on the bottom of the tostada.
Oxtail?
I'm gonna call it mocktails.
Okay, mocktail. There you go, my man. There you go. I like it. Smart.
People don't always think vegan when they think Texas. They always think big meats. I do big, bold flavors. My life is a no-meat challenge.
I feel like I'm gonna go with something called turon, which is a Filipino fried spring roll with jackfruit and banana.
Beautiful.
And then I'm gonna smother it with a soup we call ginataang.
That sounds delicious.
It's gonna be good.
Julia, talk to me. What are you thinking? What are you
I'm
working
gonna
with?
make a jackfruit nachos.
Jackfruit
Never done it with
taco.
a taro chip,
Sure, okay.
but I think it goes together.
Would it be better with crema and fried chicken? Mm-hmm. But it is what it is.
Where are your plates?
They're back there.
Oh boy, you got 2 minutes, man.
I go with the bowl because I know I want my sauce to spread across that bowl, and then I know that I already have that potato. It tastes really good. Put it right on top. And then go ahead and plate that jackfruit, taro, chip, oxtail. It's gonna taste like bits of that oxtail already broke off into the stew, and it's gonna be delicious and jam-packed with flavor.
That is exactly what I was looking for. I cut my spring rolls just so you could see everything that's inside of them. I ladle over my ginataang stew. So there's parts of the spring roll that are crispy, parts of the spring roll that are a little bit soggy. Next, I'm setting up my taro chips, and I'm just giving that splash of stark white from the coconut chips all over the plate.
Focus on the textures. Remember, smothered, right? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, chefs.
Hell yeah.
In front of you, you have taro chip nachos with jackfruit chili, cashew cheese, pico de gallo, and fresh guacamole. In front of you, you have a smothered barbecue-ish jackfruit tostada. Yes.
Barbecue-ish.
with fresh jackfruit plus taro root chip bean puree. This chef decided to take a sweeter approach to the challenge and is serving you turon smothered in ginataang jackfruit and banana spring roll. That is smothered in a Filipino coconut stew and garnished with taro chips. Last but not least, judges, in front of you, we have a moxtail stew with herb new potatoes. The jackfruit is in the stew as well as the taro chips garnished with bull's blood microgreens. The chef that finishes 4th is out of here. And the chef that finishes 1st will have exclusive access to pick all the ingredients for the next round. The chef that finished 4th is Chef Cyrus. And the chef that finished first is from the great state of Texas. My man Courtney, congratulations.
Congratulations.
That mocktail stew, the flavor, immediately, they were like, where's the beef? So welcome to the money round.
All right, welcome.
This time you're cooking to earn some serious cash and some bragging rights if you can beat Alex. All right, chefs, your time starts now. The good old steakhouse mushroom dish. Luckily, mushrooms play really, really well to a steakhouse. Depending on which ones you use and how you use them, you can get so many different complexities of flavors. I think char, I think about burn, a whole bunch of umami flavors. They kind of play all really well with the steakhouse vibe.
So I'm gonna wing it and make a stuffed portobello steak.
I'm making a layered beefsteak tomato, creamed peas, sauteed spinach, roasted delicata squash ring, and a steamed mini artichoke. And the mushroom is my steak at the top of it.
Wow.
So I'm gonna do a filet of lion's mane, then I'm gonna do some lump crab on top of that.
Interesting.
I'm good, I'm plating.
Are you winning?
I think so.
Steaks look amazing. Thankfully, like the lump crab cooks super fast, super easy. It tastes really good, so I feel good about that. And then I'll immediately go to my puree, dollop and smear, that's all you need. And then I go plating my fillets, slash that plate with the broccoli. I'll lay my lump crab down on the opposite end of the plate. This is surf and turf.
2 minutes, 18 seconds left, chefs.
I get the portobello mushrooms right out of the oven, and I cover it with some of the vinaigrette. I get the lion's mane, put them on top of the stuffing, breadcrumbs, and then I put that on the plate, and then I put the onion rings.
I don't know where my sauce is.
15 seconds.
Ah, here's my sauce.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. The first chef is serving a surf and turf dish with filet of lion's mane with a charred broccolini, lump crab, and a truffle and parm potato puree. This chef is serving you roasted and grilled portobello mushrooms with mushroom stuffing and onion rings with nutritional yeast. In front of you, we have a reconstructed steakhouse side and oyster mushroom steak. Layered steak tomato, creamed peas, wilted spinach, hand-seared and smashed oyster mushrooms, topped with a steamed mini artichoke and a lemon caper sauce. We got a chef from New York, we got a chef from Texas, and of course, Alex Guarnaschelli. Chefs, I know you've been dying to know who's been judging you today. Master of Asian cuisine, this is Jetila.
Nice to meet you, chefs. Good to see you, chef.
And internationally acclaimed plant-based chef, Fariel Abdullahi.
Hey.
Judges, I'm sure you're curious who cooked what.
Yes.
So this is Chef Julia from New York. She made the steakhouse sides for you guys.
Okay.
You nailed all the sides. It was probably one of the most beautiful plates today.
Thank you.
The problem was the mushroom wasn't really the star of the dish.
Chef Courtney made the surf and turf for you guys.
Okay. Thought that was genius using the lion's mane mushroom both as the steak and the lump crab. The crab was just a little overcooked. Overall, very delicious and creative.
Chef Alex here made the portobello mushrooms with the onion rings.
The textures and flavors were so umami. We just needed a little more freshness somewhere because the dish was so beautifully rich.
Now chefs, remember, these judges had no idea who cooked what. And the chef that finished third is... I'm sorry, Chef Julia.
Thank you.
You literally used every cooking technique in this round.
Thank
Amazing.
you so much. Bye, guys.
So judges, I would like you all to know this. In the first round, Chef Courtney made the mocktail.
Man, that was great.
That was a great dish.
So the chef that won this no-meat showdown is... She's done it again, ICAG. Congratulations, Chef Alex.
Oh no.
Can we come over here and give you a hug? She's still in shock.
She seems so sad to
Courtney,
me.
man, good job, brother.